adjustment of that. So we're going to finish cleaning up this axle. This is my preferred tool for rust, everything. This does make a big mess though, so if I went at it on this, there'd be grease flying everywhere. So we're going to try and scrape off the heavy stuff, and then we'll go back over it with this. And I also have a little, I like to use like a little die grinder with wire cup on it. That way I can get in here and all these places. Does a good job. I never used a needle scaler. I tried it once and I just think it takes forever. I know they do a great job, but I just do it this way. So this is my method. So we're gonna get to it. Okay, so got it basically all cleaned up. Looks pretty good, right? I already did these knuckles because I don't know how to explain it. My time frame allows me so much, you know, playing around with this stuff. So I was doing these ends first so I could get the knuckles and the ball joints and stuff tied up, and I thought I wouldn't get to this, but anyways, so this is the mess I'm talking about. You could see, well, clean concrete, dirty concrete. So this is what you get, at least doing it the way I'm doing it. It throws this stuff all around. So, but it works really well. So if you don't mind the mess, I rather do it this way. Angle grinder with one of those heavy duty wire cups. Can't use the other ones where they're just like strands because they just fly everywhere. That's definitely not safe. Still happens with that, but it's not as bad. But you definitely want to have safety glasses, and a face shield. And if you can help it, you know, wear some long sleeves or something, because it'll keep as much of this crap off you as, you know, you can help, I guess. So, but yeah, I mean, this is pretty much all I wanted to get down to. So just have to wipe it all down clean and then paint it and be good to go. This was done with just cans of Rust-Oleum, and did it almost the same way there, except for there was no rust reformer or anything done on this. I just wire wheeled the whole thing and degreased it, and then wiped it down with, I only had alcohol at the time, and I primed it with some engine primer, and then top coated it with just regular Rust-Oleum flat black and clear coated it with Rust-Oleum clear. Nothing special, just this stuff here. It's the cheapest Rust-Oleum you can get around here, so that's what I went with. So, but it turned out well, and it's should hold up pretty good. That's what I've done with all my vehicles, and they held up pretty good. So we'll go with that.